415 forecast with Mid-Michigan's only live radar. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bryan Bachman.
Well, a very good Monday evening to you, everyone. Today, starting off, well, similar to how last week began with windy conditions. The difference, of course, today was the fact that we had milder temperatures that were a continuation of what we saw over the weekend. I'd love to tell you that it was going to stay this mild, but it's still late April here in Michigan, so naturally we're still in that anything goes kind of weather time period, and we're going to start to see some changes even as we head into this evening. Here's a look at the first Warn 5 pinpoint Doppler radar. You can see live from MBS. It is still dry across mid-Michigan outside of a very small area of light drizzle trying to get going right in between Alcona and northwest Iosco counties, as well as to the north side of Gladwin. None of that reaching the ground just yet, but you do see some heavier rain just over the top of the banner there, actually, in the Mackinac Straits. That will be a line of showers, possibly with a few embedded rumbles of thunder that will be rolling in across mid-Michigan closer to the 9 and 10 p.m. time frame. And then from there, those will carry us into a round of rain and mixed snow showers overnight. But all good for the time being with this live look over Mount Pleasant. You can see mostly cloudy skies have taken back over, but it's still mild enough, 54 degrees, and that's what it actually feels like, even with a southwest wind on the more blustery side at about 17 miles per hour. Those winds will remain strong as we head on into tomorrow, and we'll even see them shift into the northwest, ushering in another abnormally chilly air mass as we head into Tuesday. Here's the culprit on the first Warn 5 Sky Tracker. Area of low pressure cutting to the south side of Hudson Bay and a trailing cold front arcing back across the UP and into northern Wisconsin. That cold front will charge south and east across the region tonight, bringing those lines of showers that you see along with it, and then ultimately ushering in that big change and drop in temperatures as we head into tomorrow. So here's how it times out. Hour-by-hour forecast at 8 o'clock showing generally cloudy skies, maybe a few clear wedges here and there, but most of the rain, as you can see through that time, still to the north and west of us. Roll into the 10 and 11 o'clock hour, and those showers don't waste any time, working their way into the region, already into the Tri-Cities area, northwest side of Owasso, and actually clearing south and east of Mount Pleasant by then, while also impacting areas north toward Harrisville and Oscoda. Remember, some of those showers likely to contain some heavy downpours and maybe a stray rumble of thunder, but we do not anticipate any severe weather. And also at that time, with the colder air intruding to the north, places toward Houghton Lake, West Branch, you may already be seeing a few wet snowflakes tossed on in. The bulk of the activity is gone shortly after midnight, leaving behind a few isolated rain and snow showers as we start very early tomorrow morning around 6 a.m. And we'll keep that hit or miss chance of a stray snow shower in with colder temperatures through the lunch hour and on into the middle of tomorrow afternoon. Before then, finally, even with the winds continuing into tomorrow evening, we will start to see the skies clear back out, but going to be feeling anything but like late April. 32 is our overnight low for tonight with showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. Those showers then mixing with some snow later in the overnight period and a wind shifting west-northwest to 10 to 20 miles per hour. Into tomorrow, here we go again. 41, the high temp when we should be hitting close to 60. Lingering snow showers, breezy, and a cold Tuesday ahead. We stay chilly for Earth Day on Wednesday with plain rain showers and 46. Back to the 50s on Thursday into a dry Friday, but then an unsettled weekend ahead with another up and down temperature pattern. 50s on Saturday, and back to the 40s on Sunday. David and Meg, I'll send it back to you.